Hello there, welcome back to a new episode of Sephiroth and Cypher's channel. Alright, today we have the Bite and Blast MOSASAURUS from Jurassic World Rebirth. But first, we have the Chaos Theory mini MOSASAURUS right here. Sephiroth wanted to be featured. And we have the Dino Escape MOSASAURUS. This one I sort of painted it because this is the Dino Escape. I didn't grab the Dominion, it's pretty much the same. This is the DNA scan of the Dino Escape. I believe that the app works now. If you update it, it works now as the Rebirth. So the scan codes will definitely work now. And here's our Bite and Blast MOSASAURUS. Pretty cool. It comes with a mini Dilophosaurus right here. Alright, we're gonna check the box. Check the back. It doesn't show any new dinosaurs, but it's just the little MOSASAURUS and the features. Alright, so let's open it up. Alright. Okay guys, we're gonna open it up. How do we open this? I think two of the flippers are inside and the half of the tail is inside as well. Alright, this seems tricky. Alright. Oh gosh, it's hard. There. We got it out. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Two of the flippers are not installed yet. I'm sure it's inside the box. We're gonna install it and the tail. Okay, I think it's in there. There it is. Tail and two flippers. Okay, let's put it over there. Oh yeah, they're here. Oh yes, there we go. There's the DNA scan. I'm sure it'll work now. Nice tail, totally different. Let's put it in. Yes. And then, I'm sure this one goes here. Yep. This one goes here. Yeah. Now it's in. Oh, we forgot the little MOSASAURUS. I mean the Dilophosaurus. Alright guys. Oh, here it is. Look at that. Let's put this aside now. Alright, so let's try it. So it seems like there's a trigger right here. There. And it spits out. The body moves now. Let's check the teeth. Really nice. It's a different layer compared to the older one. It's way really all unfaded. This one looks really good. Look at that. Plastic inside. You can tell. It's nice and soft and it's not. It looks sharp, but it's not sharp. Let's try to put in the Dilophosaurus inside. Push the button, suffer it.
Okay, Daddy.
Okay. Wait, how come it's not working? I think we're doing it wrong. Alright, so I think it works this way. You just put it in and it spits out. Did it work?
Baby, it's right.
You really have to fix it.
Did you fix it?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think it's not working. It worked earlier. There. Now we're going to compare to the classic MOSASAURUS. I think the blue one seems to be a little bigger. At least this one has an articulated body now. The tail, totally different now. Yeah, definitely different. The fins also look different. The flippers looks different. I think I'll go to the green one now. Has better teeth, better color. Looks like a whale from here, like a blue whale. Okay, we'll try it one more time. All right, we'll try it one more time. There you go. See, it worked. You just put the head first, though. There, see? There you go for today, guys. Our new Bite and Blast MOSASAURUS from Jurassic World Rebirth. Yeah, this is way better now. I wish you could move the tail though. Hopefully, end of this year they'll make a Hammond collection MOSASAURUS. That'd be really good. Oh, there you go. That's how it is. So there you have it for today, guys. You guys have a good one now. Don't forget to subscribe and like, guys. Thank you so much. You guys have a good one.